There you go.
Okay, so what we talked about now is we want Grace Jones in the decked out origami dress. So what we're doing now is we're just sort of going some basic composition sketches, very rough. It's not supposed to, look anything spectacular. We just want to get like a layout and sort of put our ideas on paper. First thing that came to my mind, okay, we're going to do the pyramid structure in terms of composition. So it's going to be Grace Jones and then dress. And then to complement that, for the background, we'll sort of, I don't know, I was thinking skyscraper, something like Blade Runner-ish. And here, let me show you. Okay, so just do a really basic sketch. Like I said, this isn't meant to be anything too great. So, okay, so big origami dress. Okay. And then maybe behind it, sort of a corner view of, let's say, a skyscraper. And we could really like go wild with this. And then on top of that, we could add those, sky traffic of all the cars in like sort of a soft, yellowy glow with maybe some rain backdrops. So, and then maybe we could probably shorten this, just sort of fit the composition better. Maybe go something like this. And then here and here, we also have room too to add something else, maybe some symbolism or whatnot. I know it looks like a hot mess, but like I said, we're just looking at layouts. So.
And what's nice about this too is that you can start to envision where the branding is going to be. So, Fashion Fights Poverty, for those of you who are familiar with, the way that... Yes, exactly. So we've got, the RE theme, which we actually haven't officially announced yet, but, this is a little preview. And then we've got, the possibility of doing Fashion Fights Poverty, down here, for example, or FFP right here. So it's a nice, it's a nice composition to be able to start working into the branding, but at the same time also starting to bring in the concept, the overall visual direction as well. So,
pretty cool. We could really build on that.
Very, very cool. And the other idea too was to basically have something similar next to Fashion Fights Poverty, the block, brand, and then with the, the model sort of standing next to it too. So that's another idea that we had. So, anyway.
And then we could also sort of we can actually make the traffic as, let's say, part of the pyramid itself. Really add some type perspective in here.
Right.
Like, there's tons of stuff we can go with this. That's what's so great about our theme is that we can do a lot.
Right. And if anyone's wondering, that's Daniel, my honey, in the background. Say hi to YouTube, Daniel.
Hello.